Welcome back to our channels. We are going to continue from where we stopped under the simplification of indices. Our question says simplify number A, 4 power minus 3 over 2, and B, 64 raised to the power of 2 all over 3. So now to find the solution of this, we have to say 4 power minus 3 all over 2. This is the same as, let us say 4 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. We now take this 3 outside the bracket because it's the same. We just take this 3 out. So now this is the same as 4 is the same as 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Therefore, this 4 can be the same as 2 power 2, then times minus 1 over 2. We close the bracket and then our 3. I hope we are following. So from here you can see that these 2 cancel these 2. So we now having 2 raised to the power of minus 1 because 1 here, 1 times 1 is 1 divided by 1 is also 1. So 2 power of minus 1, then power 3. This is the same as we now multiply this minus 1 with 3 outside the bracket. So we now have 2 raised to the power of minus 3, which is equal to 1 over 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is the same as 8 because 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. This is the same as 1 all over h. 1 over h will be our answer. Question B says 64 raised to the power of 2 all over 3. This is the same as this 64. We can now change it. We may decide to change this 64 to another number because 64 is the same as 4 times 4 times 4, which is equals to 4 raised to the power of 3. Because 4 times 4 will give us 16. 16 times 4 will give us 4 raised to the power of 3. So we may now decide to change this one to 64 raised to the power of, we may decide to change it to 4 raised to the power of 3 times 2 all over 3 again. Yeah, we are now playing with this power. So now you can see that this 3 can go with this one. So we may end up having 4 raised to the power of this. 1 times 2 is 2 divided by 1 is also 2. Is 4 times 2. Sorry, 4 raised to the power of 2. 4 raised to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, which is equals to 16. I hope we are following. We can use another process. We can say it's okay. This one, 64 raised to the power of 2 all over 3 is the same one. We now take the cube root of this one because we have 3 already here, 1 over 2, 1 over 3. So 2 over 3, we now say is the same as cube root of 64. Then this power 2 should now be outside the bracket. I hope we are following. So from here we have cube root of, what is 64? 64 is 4 raised to the power of 3, then square. From here this power should now go with this cube root. So we now have 4 square, which is equals to 16. So you see, in either way, we either follow this process or we follow this using a fractional index law, we arrive at the same answer, which is 16. I hope you are following. Do not forget to share and do not forget to subscribe, please. And if there is any question, you are free to ask me through the comment section. Ask question, and if there is anything, just feel free to ask me. I am ready to answer. Thank you for following.